If you want to add photos in your project in Figma, you have two options. The first one is you just go right here, click on the drop down, go to place image video, and then just select your image, and you can adjust the size, and most of it, I mean everything that's not in the actual size will get cropped. This is the first option. The second option is you just create any type of shape you want. A rectangle, I mean let's just do all of them. Circle, and then just you select either one of them, just go to fill and switch from solid to image, and then just click choose image, and then just do the same exact thing. It works the same way. I guess this masking images and shapes is better because you might want them to be maybe masked like in a specific weird shape. So, and also you can like go ahead and click on fill, switch it to crop, and start making adjustments, start cropping it, and play around with the settings. So yeah, that's how you do it.